Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We will be exploring what happened to Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Nifty opened with a deep red and then slowly it started to climb up, and there was close to about 250 points move with the first 15 minutes candle, almost like showing what would be the length of trade for the whole day. Because as you can see that it reached a peak in the first 15 minutes, and then from there it started to come down slowly, and then there was some sort of consolidation, then there was a little bit up, and then again it went down and tested this level, and then finally there was a firework happening just last 1 hour of 1.5 hours of trade, just picked it up to the new level, and finally gave a close at 17,667. So this was the range for Nifty. What it has done today is that, historically it was clearing several levels and then it was coming down consistently. This was a new level which it has tested for the very first time in many months. And after it touched here, it just rallied, very quickly. And this was expected. Yesterday I was saying that we could expect some levels of 17,400 in some time, and then today it made the low, and then quickly it had a retracement. Now what can happen, since there is only 1 day left for the budget and then we don't have much time, they wouldn't be breaking down or breaking up. What they might try to do is that probably they will consolidate within this level and then wait for the budget results so that they can show some sort of big moves happening. And one thing to be kept in mind, the sentiments have been completely shifted from positive to bearish. Now the market is making newer lows and then continuously going down. All that you need to be aware of is that if it breaks this level 17,300, then we can expect a significant fall. Where you can expect the market to go, it can reach up to 16,800 in the coming days, breaking which you can also expect 16,400 levels. So these are the immediate targets if it breaks 17,300 level. So just 1 day left for the budget. We can expect some consolidation here. However, one has to be very careful. If the budget results are not up to the mark, then this can happen pretty fast, and then you can expect it to reach 16,000 levels, 16,300 levels quite comfortably. So what you can do for tomorrow? It's going to be pretty simple. As an option writer, you can go ahead and then write the next week expiry, which is 18,000 and 17,000. Both the T7s you can go ahead and write, and then keep T4 as stop loss probably, or even T5 as stop loss. If it is possible, you can wait till T5. And so T7 writings of next week, and then T7 T5 as stop loss on both the sides. So that's very pretty simple trade setup. And towards what as an option buyer, what you can do is look for the first 15 minutes, because those first 15 minutes are going to be very critical. If you're seeing this anywhere trading between 17,400 levels, then it's a very good buy zone. Market will try to do another set of rebound. So you, whenever you see the market coming to T3 T4 levels, you can start accumulating the positions, and keep one level down as stop loss, and then keep trailing as the market moves up towards the pivot. And if you're if the market reaches T2 or T3, that's a very good levels to initiate a PE position. Keep one level higher as stop loss, and then keep trailing towards the pivot. So this should be the trade setup for Nifty. And one more thing that you can try during for budget is that probably you can wait for the market to consolidate and then end towards 320, 325. You can go for a straddle of next week or month end thing, because the budget results can give a big boost. It can either take the market higher or lower by at least 500 points in Nifty. So 400 to 500 points you can expect. So which means if you are initiating a straddle of next week or month end expiry, then you should get good returns. So that is one other additional input. But if you have not initiated any straddle, you don't know the adjustments of it, then you can comfortably skip this strategy and then play the intraday positions directional. So that's my take on Nifty. Now let's explore Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty again was showing extraordinary volatility. The first 15 minutes candle made 1,000 points move from low to high. It made 1,000 points move. From then on, it consistently fell down and then reached this zone for the very first time in several months. And then there was a retracement, and then it continued to fall. It broke this level. I was thinking that it's going to be a massive fall, but then the very next candle they rallied up and then brought it well within control. So this was what happening in Bank Nifty. We had a close at 40,467, which is a pretty good close. What might happen is that they might try to test this level few more times. Probably with the budget, if the budget results are positive, maybe they can take it higher, and then maybe they can even reach 41,500 levels, and then slowly they will drag. And then once this level is tested some 2-3 times, like between 40,000 to 39,600, this has been tested at least 3-4 times. I am expecting another 2,000 points of fall in coming 2 weeks to 3 weeks of time. So by the end of February, we can expect Bank Nifty to trade in 37,000 ranges in all probability. That is extraordinary chances. Okay, even if the budget results are good, all these things, favoring, we can still expect 37,700 levels as one target. Just in case if the budget results are extremely good and then the market is trying to scale up and it crosses 42K, then we might have a reversal. Probably the bullish trend will come, and then we will have to wait and watch how it reacts around this life high. Once it crosses all this 43,000 levels, and then if it we wanted to see whether it is going to make a newer high and then cross 44K, 45K, and so on. So that is a long-term perspective. But then keeping the budget results in mind, if they are staying within 41,500 levels on the 1st of February, and then the next day if they are dragging down and then testing it, I am extremely bearish, because once this level is broken, that is 39,600 is broken comfortably, then we can expect a massive fall of 2,000 points. So keeping that in mind, let's explore the fast levels. The fast levels of T7 on both the sides are at 41,200 and 39,700. So you can comfortably write the next week premiums, or current week there will be not much premium left. So I suggest you to write down the next week expiry, and then collect the premiums on both the sides and use T4 or T5 as stop loss depending upon your risk appetite. So that is one input. Now, as an option buyer, what you can do is wait for the first 15 minutes, even you can give away the first 30 minutes and see where the market is slowing down or consolidating. If you see the market to be trading around T4 levels on either side, that's a good reversal entry point. Like, like you see that 40,900 is being touched, then you can take a PE position and keep one level higher as stop loss and keep trailing it towards the pivot, right? And as an option buyer, call buyer, you can wait for T4 levels or T5 levels, because this is a buy zone, serious buy zone. As soon as it touches this T4 or T5, you can continue to take positions and keep one level down as stop loss, and then keep trailing it towards the pivot. So that should be the trade setup. And like I said, you can also comfortably initiate some positions at 320 in the evening, initiating a straddle of next week or month end. That can be a wonderful way of gaining some good money. But if you are not comfortable, supposedly you have taken something at 500 and 500, market has given a jump of about 700 rupees. One has become 500 has become 900, another one has become 500 has become 100. Then what to do with that, right? You should know, you should have some sort of backup plan. If you don't know that, then you shouldn't be initiating that position. So learn, if you have good experience dealing with straddles and strangles, then you can initiate at 320. Otherwise, you can comfortably go for the intraday play both on both days. In fact, if you want to be bit cautious, you are a new person in the market and don't want to take unnecessary risk, then you can just do paper trading for next 2 days, because next 2 days are like 0-0. Okay, usually Thursdays are 0-0 that last half an hour, 1 hour of play, but These 2 days are more like jackpot. Either you can be a hero or your capital will be a zero. So unless you know what you're doing, there is very high chance that you might end up making bigger losses. So that's why I'm sincerely advising you to skip it if you can. But if you love this volatility, you wanted to make most of it, then play smart. Join the stream. Probably if you have some positions and then you need some sort of trade ideas, you can join the stream tomorrow. And I will try my best to support whatever I can. So that's the trade setup for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Thanks a lot, guys, and have a fantastic Tuesday tomorrow. And we are hoping for a great expiry this week. And let's hope for a good let's hope for a good positive budget opening up for this year. All the very best, everyone. Thanks.